How to fix Siri not speaking out in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, here you can check the Siri response. Hey Siri, what is the day? Now here you can see Siri give us a response but not a spoken response. It gives us a silent response. And if you want to fix this problem, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on Siri and then click on Siri responses. If you select prefer silent responses, then Siri give us a silent responses, not a spoken responses. And if we select prefer spoken responses, then Siri give us a spoken responses, not a silent responses. Now here you can check your Siri response. Hey Siri, how's the weather?
I can't tell your
Now here
location.
you can see Siri will give us a response with spoken. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.